Hi friends, are you ready for more blending fun? Today we're learning 6 splashy blends. Let's go. Let's say them together. Let's start with scribble. A scribble is a bunch of wiggly, squiggly lines you make when you draw just for fun. It doesn't have to look like anything. Just let your hand go zip, zap, zoom across the page. Now let's say splash. A splash is the fun noise and mess you make when something jumps into water, like your feet, a toy, or even a raindrop. It goes splash and sends water flying everywhere, so get ready to giggle and get wet. Next is straw. A straw is a long, skinny tube that helps you sip drinks without tipping the cup. It's like a magic tunnel for your juice or milk. Slurp. Let's try throw. A splash is the fun noise and mess you make when something jumps into water, like your feet, a toy, or even a raindrop. It goes splash and sends water flying everywhere, so get ready to giggle and get wet. Now say sprout. A sprout is a tiny baby plant just starting to grow from a seed. It pops out of the ground like it's saying, "Hello world." It's small, green, and full of growing magic. And last is shrimp. A shrimp is a tiny sea animal with a curvy body, lots of legs, and it loves to swim and wiggle in the water. It looks like a little underwater bug and is super yummy to some people. Yippee, you did amazing. You learned 6 new blends today: scribble, splash, straw, throw, sprout, and shrimp. See you next time, friends.